Hello everyone, my name is Aditya. Today I'm going to give a beautiful presentation on degrees of comparison. And I'm really excited for this. Let's begin. Degrees of comparison. If you see, we all learned about the adjectives which tells more about describing nouns or pronouns. A adverb gives information on action, words or verbs. These adjectives and adverbs, which shows different characteristics, can also be compared. Different forms of both adjectives and adverbs are used to show the comparison of quality between two or more things. This change in form is called degrees of comparison. There are mainly three degrees of comparison: positive, comparative, and superlative. Let's have a look at each and every degree separately. Positive degree denotes the quality that is present or denotes it has been equal to another. Let's just take an example. A rose is a pretty flower, a quality that is present. We use the adjective pretty to describe the rose flower. This quality of being pretty can also be compared when we talk about two different flowers. Example, a rose is as pretty as sunflower. This sentence denotes that both the flower rose and sunflowers are equally pretty and thus they are being equal to another. If you see the sequence, as plus adjective plus as is only used in the positive degree. Comparative degree expresses a comparison between two person or things, denotes higher degree of quality than the positive. Let us see an example. A rose is prettier than sunflowers. In this sentence, there is a comparison between rose and sunflower. Example, Seema is taller than Asha. Here, taller than used to compare height of two girls. The word than is always used in a comparative degree. Superlative degree. Superlative degree expresses the comparison between more than two person or things. Example, the tulip was the prettiest of all the flowers in the garden. Here, there is a comparison among many flowers and we are stating that among all those flowers, the tulip is the prettiest flower. Let us consider another example. Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the world. The word tallest indicates that there is a comparison among many buildings in the world and amongst all the buildings, Burj Khalifa is the tallest. The definite article the is always used in a superlative degree. With the help of this example and definition, we came to know about how different adjectives appears in positive, comparative and superlative degree. The terms always used in these three degrees will always used to identify the degree correctly. Let's consider a few more adjectives and how they are written in all three degrees. If we consider adjective beautiful, it is written as beautiful as in positive, more beautiful than in comparative, the most beautiful in superlative. If we consider adjective heavy, it is written as heavy as in positive, comparative, heavier than, the heaviest in superlative. If we take adjective good, it is written as good as in positive, better than in comparative, the best in the superlative. If we take adjective bad, it is written as bad as in positive, worse than in comparative, the worst in superlative. If we consider adjective long, it is written in positive as long as, in comparative, longer than, in superlative, the longest. Now let's see how we can change the degree. While changing the degree, we must remember that do not change the meaning of the original sentence. Let's see an example. Python is the largest snake in the world. We know that this sentence is in superlative degree. If we rewrite in positive and comparative degree, in positive degree, no other snake in the world is as large as Python. In comparative degree, Python is larger than any other snake in the world. If we notice that in all three degrees, the meaning of the sentence remains same. If we consider second example, Mahabaleshwar is cooler than Matheran. In this sentence, two hill stations, Mahabaleshwar and Matheran, are being compared with each another. Note, when two events or place or objects are compared, the sentence cannot be written in superlative degree. Such statement can be written only in positive and comparative degree. Mahabaleshwar is cooler than Mathiran. If you take the same example, the original sentence used the word cooler than tells us the sentence is in comparative degree, and it is also an affirmative sentence. Now, while rewriting in the sentence in positive degree, we should see that the meaning does not change. If we write Matheran is as cool as Mahabaleshwar, of course, the original sentence will change. Therefore, we will introduce a negative word not in the positive degree, so we can write the original sentence as Matheran is not as cool as Mahabaleshwar. I think you guys like my video. Thank you for watching my video. Have a great day. Thank you.